Finally guys, when I start this, then I thought कि मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊँगा, बट जब स्टार्ट किया तो ऐसा लगा कि हाँ, जब करते गया धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ते गए तो ऐसा लगा कि ना अब तो कर लूँगा, अब तो कर लूँगा. आफ्टर लॉन्ग प्रैक्टिस आई कैन डू इट. Like I add new features on this, on playHere, and click on play button, and you have to choose the category, and we choose coding practice. And now I'm gonna play this correct answer. I think 20 is correct. No, 10 is correct. Okay. After that, 4. No, 5 is all of above. Okay. Now this one. Oh no. I'm just trying this. After that, this 7 number question, 8 number question, this is correct. Okay. After that, C is correct. Okay. Now, yeah. After getting the result, then you can see I add new feature, view full result. Here, when you click here, then you can see your profile, your username, your email ID, and profile image. After that, your score 5 out of 10, and your points point of 10, total time taken, and categories. After that, you can see this is your question number 1, and you can tick on 4. So still there is a problem, so I'm gonna fix that numbing problem. I fix this after some time, but and correct answer is this. You tick on this, and correct answer is this. After that, this is correct answer. You tick on this, and like this is also, and this is you can take on correct answer. Your answer is correct. 4 number answer is correct. And this is also correct answer. Sorry, my focus. And you tick on this, but this is correct. Delete is correct answer. After that, and yeah, this is, and we also update and try to add these questions, these solution files on your file section. Okay, only this much. Thank you.